2026 Komatsu D155A Bulldozer is here, and it's rewriting the rules of power, durability, and efficiency in the heavy machinery world. From massive earthmoving operations to complex site prep, this machine is engineered to outperform everything in its class. What sets the D155A apart in 2026 isn't just its sheer strength. It's the perfect blend of advanced technology, operator comfort, and next-gen efficiency packed into one beast of a bulldozer. At first glance, you'll notice the bold new design. The machine is built on Komatsu's legacy of reliability but has been upgraded with a modern aesthetic, sharper edges, reinforced structures, and a re-engineered undercarriage that offers longer wear life and increased ground traction. Powered by a high-performance Komatsu SAA 6140E7 engine, the D155A pumps out a jaw-dropping 354 horsepower, giving it the muscle to handle even the most grueling workloads with ease. This Tier 4 final engine isn't just about raw power. It's cleaner and more fuel-efficient than ever, reducing emissions while increasing runtime per tank. But raw power is only part of the story. The real magic happens when you look at how the D155A uses that power. Komatsu's automatic torque converter lock-up system helps the machine shift from smooth traction control to direct drive efficiency on the fly. This ensures that you're getting full power to the ground when you need it and conserving energy when you don't. It's like having two bulldozers in one that works smart and another that works hard. The blade system is another area where Komatsu went above and beyond. The massive Sigmadozer blade, built with high tensile strength steel, delivers exceptional digging power and reduced dozing resistance. It cuts through the soil like a knife through butter and holds more material per pass, increasing productivity by up to 15% compared to standard blades. And when it comes to control, the D155A makes the operator feel like they're driving a precision instrument, not a 100,000-pound earthmover. With the advanced joystick steering and fingertip blade control, every movement feels intuitive. It's not just about making the machine easier to drive, it's about giving the operator total command over every inch of the job site. The newly redesigned ROPS certified cab is a game changer. Step inside and you'll find a spacious, noise-reduced environment that lets operators stay focused and alert for longer hours. A high-res 10-inch monitor gives real-time machine data, fuel consumption tracking, blade angle feedback, and maintenance alerts all in one clean interface. Air suspension seating, climate control, and low vibration floor design all add up to a cab that feels more like a cockpit. Maintenance on the D155A is faster and simpler than ever. Komatsu's onboard diagnostics let you run a full system scan from inside the cab, and ground-level access to service points means your crew spends less time wrenching and more time working. The modular radiator and high-capacity cooling system are designed for dusty, hot environments where other machines overheat and fail. And with Komatsu Care support packages, scheduled maintenance and real-time machine monitoring are included to reduce downtime and keep this beast on the job longer. Let's talk safety, because this machine doesn't compromise. With 360-degree visibility, a rear-view camera, LED work lights, and smart terrain sensing, the D155A ensures the operator always has a clear view of surroundings. Even in the roughest terrains or tightest job sites, the machine adapts with built-in slope stability assistance and auto blade lift to avoid overloading or misgrading. One of the most talked about innovations in the 2026 model is the integration of Komatsu's Smart Construction platform. This allows seamless integration with drones, GPS mapping, and 3D site modeling. What this means is you can load your blueprint into the system and the bulldozer will help the operator follow exact grade requirements. Productivity skyrockets, rework drops, and efficiency hits all-time highs. It's more than a bulldozer, it's a job site intelligence machine. The data collected by the D155A can be uploaded in real time to a centralized cloud platform, giving project managers instant updates on progress, fuel usage, idle time, and operator behavior. It's a whole new level of transparency and performance tracking. Contractors who have already deployed the 2026 D155A in the field are reporting huge improvements in project turnaround. Whether it's highway construction, mining prep, or large-scale land development, this machine delivers consistent results across the board. In short, it's not just stronger, it's smarter, faster, and more responsive to the needs of modern construction sites. And let's not forget the aesthetic. This thing looks like a brute from the future. The rugged armor-like build, blacked-out grille, and bold Komatsu badging make it stand out in any fleet lineup. It doesn't just perform like a champion, it looks the part too. When you break it all down, the 2026 Komatsu D155A isn't just a step forward, it's a leap. Komatsu has taken decades of innovation and wrapped it into a bulldozer that's built not just for today's job sites, but for the future of heavy equipment. If you're a contractor looking to boost productivity, reduce downtime, and give your operators the tools they need to work better, the D155A is a no-brainer. It's not hype. It's Komatsu's commitment to excellence, and this bulldozer proves it in every push, every cut, and every load.